गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप सभी का एसके इंजीनियर्स अकेडमी में स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, आवर न्यू टॉपिक इज हाइजेनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल। अ क्वेश्चन arises that in our mind, what is the uncertainty at here? So, students, Bohr explained about the electrons are doing the circular motion around the nucleus. Electrons are regularly doing the circular motion, but if at the fixed time we want to calculate the position of the electron and also the momentum of the electron, if we want to calculate both of them at the same time, that is not possible. That is explained by the Heisenberg. What is uncertainty? I am taking an example. Listen me carefully. If you are in a train, you are in first compartment, your friend is in second compartment. Train is doing the motion on the track, but train is running at the fixed speed, fixed velocity. You are at here, your friend is at there. Train is doing the momentum regularly. If I want to calculate the momentum at this position and also I want to calculate the position both of them at the same time, that is not possible. If I want to calculate the momentum, I can calculate. If I want to calculate the position, I can calculate, but both of them at the same time, that is not possible. So I am telling you that according to Bohr, that electron is doing the regular motion but in wave nature. But if you want to know that electron is doing this circular motion, if you want to calculate the electron on this position, where exactly at the fixed point electron is present. So students, if I am telling you that electron is on this position, then how we can calculate? Students, according to Heisenberg, we can calculate the delta M or delta V is always greater than h upon 4 pi. What is that, sir? Uncertainty in momentum. And what is we can say it x because we are using the v for the velocity, so there I am using x. What is the x? Uncertainty in position. Always generates the multiplication and they always greater than the h upon 4 pi. So if I want to calculate the exact position, or I can say approx position, maximum approx position of the electron, then we use the Heisenberg principle. Heisenberg says that if electron is on this position, it is orbit and it is the circular position, there electron is doing the motion. So if electron is the smallest particle that we can watch it with our normal eyes. If I want to check where is electron, then first we put some light on it. Because we put some light on it, then he carry the energy. Electrons is in this state, students. Electron is in this state. I am putting some energy on it. As he get the energy, he jump in this level to this level. It is n barabar 1, it is n equal to 2. He jump at here, and after the jumping, he doing the motion regularly in this level. But it is not its stability level, then he wants to release the energy. As he wants to release the energy at here, he again come back to its already its basic orbit, its basic orbit or its stability level. Its stability level says that energy is released and he again doing the circular motion in this orbit, again in this orbit. So students, this jumping and after putting the light, this jumping and after release the light, this jumping generates the spectrum, and we can calculate this position and this position, and we can tell any person that what is the position on this stage. There, this is orbit, students. This is nucleus, and there we have R. There we have also R radius. Now, student, I am thinking that electron is here. Now, then this is microscope. We put some light on it. There is microscope. I am watching here a photon. Photon means light. Light is putting on it. Light is putting on it with this way. Electron is doing the motion in. Electron is doing the motion in this way. But as the photon of light is put on it, he carry the energy. He get the extra energy. After getting the extra energy, he makes the angle and going in like this direction. So what is the angle in between them is theta. So as he get the energy, he get the energy and make this function. This function is this one, and jump to the first shell to second shell and doing the motion in this level. Again he release the energy. And come back again in this orbit and generate this motion. So we cannot calculate exact position but maximum approx position of the electron. So uncertainty is, if we want to calculate both of them, position and the momentum at the same time, we cannot calculate both of them at the same time, because I am telling you that the example of train is running regularly. If you can say I am here, but as you say I am here, train is there. As you say I am here, train is there. So not calculate exact position, but if I am telling I am here, train is here, I am telling you where is train, but that time I cannot say about the momentum. I am only saying about the position. As electron is doing, electron only can say first time where he is present, that is his position. But we cannot say what is the momentum of him. That is the uncertainty. And if I am saying that is the momentum of it,